Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony and today I'm gonna do an extreme drop test of the new Nokia 800 TUF, the old Nokia 3310 and the new Nokia 3310. At the moment I'm at the rooftop of a 5-story car park over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get those phones and drop them over here. So let's get it on. I'm gonna take them out of my bag. Check this out, guys. This is the new Nokia 800 TUF. The screen has already cracked when I run over it with my limo. Woo! 2.7, the original Nokia 3310 and the new Nokia 3310. So without further ado, guys, the phones are ready. I'm just gonna grab them like that and I'm just gonna drop them. So 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh man. Let's go down and see what really happened, guys. Man, that was epic. Let me run my way down. I'm just gonna do a fast forward over here. Let's see what happened, guys. I'm almost approaching the area of impact, and I think one of the phones went over there across the street. Let's see what do we have. Have any of those phones survived? What is that over here? This is the old Nokia 3310, and apart from the phone pretty much cracked, guys, let's see if it's gonna start up. Oh man, let's see. No signs of life, unfortunately, on the OG Nokia 3310. The battery is still there though. These are some of the parts. What happened with the Nokia TUF phone? Let's see, guys. This is the interesting bit. A little bit of damage over here, as you can see. What else? A little bit of damage over here. And let's see if it still boots up. Yes, it is still working, guys. Man, check this out. I'm just gonna put this. Sorry guys, but I'm so excited. I mean, I've never done one of those tests before, and this one definitely survived, guys. So the original 3310 is over here. This is the new 3310. The screen shattered over here a little bit. I'm just gonna put the battery back on and see if this baby is gonna boot up, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. And yes, the new Nokia 3310 survived as well. Well, kind of, because the screen is shattered. So let's see what kind of parts do we have over here, guys. This is from the original Nokia 3310 over here, and let me try to get a little bit more parts from somewhere. Oh, okay, over here I've got the back cover. All right. Okay, I've got the back cover over here of this Nokia. I'm just gonna put it like that, but the damage is not that big on this little Nokia over here, guys. Let's see what we found over here. What is that? This is the keyboard of the original 3310. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and the only thing missing is the front fascia of the Nokia. Actually, is it working? Yes, it's actually still working, guys. Can you imagine? This phone, well, it survived, but of course the screen is shattered. Let me try to find the back as well. Okay guys, and this is the front over here, and my camera assistant told me that by the time I came back down to see what's the condition of the phone, an actual car ran over the poor 3310 over here, guys. So no wonder it's in a little bit bad condition. There's the antenna over here completely missing. But anyway, the point of that video is that those phones are extremely durable, guys. This one, the screen shattered. This one, the screen shattered as well, but still works. And this one is completely working, considering that the screen got shattered while I drove over it with the limo. So yeah, the Nokia 800 TUF, although it's kinda tough, I mean, this screen part is made of plastic, guys, so it might not actually survive if it lands, for example, like that on an edge or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Adios, and don't forget to subscribe to volokinproject. Yeah.